How to set up Hotlink protection in cPanel. This demo assumes you've already logged into cPanel and are starting on the home screen. Now let's learn how to set up Hotlink protection. Click the Hotlink protection icon. Hotlink protection prevents other websites from directly linking to certain files, typically images, on your website. You'll want to prevent this if you have copyrighted images or to simply save on bandwidth usage. You'll first want to make sure your own sites are listed here so you are able to hotlink to your images. Enter all the file types you want to protect, and check the Allow Direct Requests box if you want to give the ability to manually enter URLs of a protected file. Enter the URL you want to redirect to for anyone who tries to hotlink to your files or images. Then click Submit. That's it! You've successfully enabled Hotlink protection. To disable Hotlink protection, click the Disable button. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to use Hotlink protection to prevent hotlinking to your files.